So you know, right? Automatic generation of purchase order.
Through MRP. Oh, sorry. From
Yeah, this ME59n transaction code.
ME59N.
59n. Yes, yes. Yeah, that's what they're telling here. So automatic generation of POs.
Okay.
So for that we have some prerequisite.
Hmm.
Let me show you. Yeah. So prerequisite like in supplier master, we need to have this automatic purchase order checkbox selected for that purchase order.
Right, right, right.
And in material master,
Material master.
automatic purchase order. Then the PR should be having the source assigned.
Hmm.
Okay. So then that that PR can be automatically converted into PO using ME59 transaction
Right,
code.
right, right.
Okay. These are the three prerequisites. So same thing they're explaining here. And in that ME59N transaction code, uh, there are different options which are available in case while creating, if some errors will come, right? Then that
Hmm.
time, whether we need to exclude those PRs with errors,
Okay.
okay, that we have an option to select it. Or in case if we do not exclude, it will create for other line items. Only those line item will show up
Would
as
be left
errors.
out.
Yeah, yeah, like that. So based on the user's requirement or business requirement, they can select that check button. So they can even set this as a bad job, semi 59N. So that every day, if they set it every day, it has to convert some PRs into PO. Whatever the time they set it, the bad job will run and it will convert available PRs into PO like that. Okay. So exclude item with errors is the system creates a purchase order for all the correct purchase requisition items according to your requirements. You can see the errors in a log and process the incorrect items again. Okay. So exclude means whatever the errors it won't convert. Only which are correct it will convert. The remaining we need to do it manually. Okay, that
Okay.
is this button. If we select do not exclude means system creates all PO that can be created by grouping together correct requisition according to your requirement, all purchase requisition which are not converted. So yeah, so that's how it works. So now let us see that one, the demo. Sometimes this is a prerequisites also they will ask to
Okay.
convert automatic creation of PR to PO. So
PO.
what are the prerequisites? So we need to
Material,
have
vendor, and source list.
source list or either yeah, PR should be having the correct source. Our source list will be available
Hmm.
and PO no vendor and material should be selected with the auto
Right.
PO
Up,
checkbox.
up,
Okay, those are the prerequisites. And inventory management also we have another one. So while doing GR, we can convert purchase order, automatic purchase order.
for
That we can see in inventory management topic.
sure, sure.
So we are going to vendor master to display to check the specific vendor is having the auto PO checkbox.
Hmm.
The purchasing data.
Hmm.
So if we scroll here in the purchasing data, you can see automatic PO is selected for this vendor.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we're displaying a material in the purchasing view. And here you can see auto PO checkbox is available.
Okay.
So they're displaying different materials because all the three, the PR has three material, right? Three line items. That's why. So this is Me59 transaction code automatically via PR.
Hmm.
Yeah. So you can select how it has to create per company code, per contract like that. We also have this 40 items I told, right? So that's the option where we can,
But we have not given the material code here.
yeah, we can filter it on any basis, whatever,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, basis. Based on the filter criteria, whatever is available, that will show up and convert into PO. Okay. Here we have an option to test run also. You can see test run is available. If we do the test run, so it will give us early any errors. Okay, those things we can see before converting itself. Yeah, PO gets created. So PO number is
So
four
basically in the
six.
background, it does goes and checks which are the materials for which PR is created, where is source list is there, and
Hmm.
whether the material having the tick of auto check in the
Nice.
master, right?
Yes, yes, yes. It checks everything.
So
Yeah.
it's not about a single material. It can be converted. I mean, when you run this process, it converts the complete material on the list of
Yeah,
materials
yeah.
with the specific
Yeah. Yes, yes.
specific.
Program will check all those prerequisites. If that is met, then only it
So
will convert.
suppose, so
Hmm.
suppose I'm considering a situation. So suppose base oil, because we are a grease manufacturer company also. I told you we have eight
Hmm.
business verticals. So for greases, the most important raw material is base oil. Okay. So I want to create automatic PO for base oil only, and I don't want to create for it for other raw materials. So for now, so I may have a checkbox applicable in the material master for five materials, but as of now I want to have a auto PO for that specific base oil. So will there be any process to filter it out?
Mm,
You
no,
got
no,
my
that,
question?
yeah. I got that. Yeah, in that case, maybe there is an option here, right? Here we have an option to material, right? Here.
Okay. Got it,
I
sir.
can
Got it.
put those
Noted.
material so that it will only pick that material
Fine.
into
Fine.
picture. So like that we can filter it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So every time changing master data is not, that is
Suggestful.
fine. Yeah, not suggestible. Yeah. So like that, we can filter it or we can, yeah, restrict it based on the material. So you're just showing what PR and PO and what are the source which are assigned after converting into PO that they are
Mm.
showing. So contracts are assigned. So with different PR number, it creates one PO as they are belonging to same purchase group
Now
because they,
I have a question. If I go to the peer number 495 for line number 20 after creation of the PO,
hmm,
what should be the status showing in the PR for line number 20?
it is PO created.
Okay. And that will be showing the PO number,
Yeah, same PO number will
not
be displayed.
not the contract number, right?
No, not the contract number. PO, it will show PO. Contract is created means individually, right? It is not reference to any PR. So now PR is independent document, outline agreement is an independent document. They are not uh, reference each other. But here PR, we are creating this PO with reference to PR, right? So they have uh, what we can say, they have a relation between both, but not outline agreement and PR. They are individual documents now. They are not related to each other.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So basically, it will show the final status of the document and final document.
Uh-huh. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Here in the contract, they're also showing the release documentation. With reference to that, we created one PO, that
Mm.
data which is showing here. Total
Mm-hmm.
10 pieces have been. This is a release documentation in the
Mm-hmm.
contract.
Right.
So we created one PO against that, right? So it is
Mm.
already updated.
Okay.